This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by gathering essentials and taking the first actionable steps now. Install Dart SDK 3.x and make sure the path variable includes Dart so commands work. Once done, run Dart version to confirm. Next, create a project with Dart. Create My App to generate folders and a basic main Dart file. Open the project in your editor and inspect PubSpec. YAML to understand dependencies. This immediate setup lets you compile, run, and iterate quickly without wasting time on optional extras. Once your project exists, you write and execute code to see results. Open main. Dart, implement main, and add functions or classes. Keep functions small for testability. Use Dart run to execute scripts quickly, and Dart compile exe when you need native binaries. Meanwhile, run Dart analyze to catch common issues early, and Dart format to keep code consistent. Make sure to update PubSpec, YAML for packages, and run Dart pub. Get so dependencies resolve before you attempt builds or tests. To finish, add automated tests and profiling to ensure your app works and performs. Create test/files and run Dart test. Use DevTools for CPU and memory profiles to find bottlenecks. Adopt futures and async/await for concurrency, and prefer immutable data where possible. When you publish, bump version in PubSpec. YAML and run Dart pub publish if needed. If something breaks, first check SDK version mismatches. Resolve dependency conflicts with PubSpec. Lock and confirm path. This common fix often restores expected behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.